Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this pumpkin patch family sign. I'm going to go in first and base coat my pumpkin in the color terracotta. And then I'm going to paint my stem in chocolate and my leaf and vine in evergreen. Following this, I'm going to go in with that chocolate color and begin to add some shape to all of my pumpkins, kind of outline each of them. And you can continue to add pumpkins further and further up based on how many family members you have. And then I'm going to go over all of these chocolate lines with a little bit of putty. And I'm adding my little stems. And I'm going to do putty on all of my little chocolate accents and also on each of my stems. Kind of brushing it down the side of it. And then I'm going to go in with the number 4 round and the color evergreen. And I'm going to do a little vine on each of my pumpkins. And then I'll go over those evergreen vines with a little bit of limeade just to brighten them up. And just going down the side of my the side of my stem here. I kind of like to do that to make it look like the sun is shining on the stem. That's what I think about when I'm placing that. Just outlining my leaf and my vine in chocolate. Going in now and adding my little vines to each of my pumpkin. Again, using evergreen and limeade for those. And then that is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.